Hi guys, and welcome to another video. So today, we're not doing another yarn throw simulator doll. I promise that the next one will be. But today, we're just taking a one-off and doing a random doll which I drew in my sketchbook. It's a bit of a galaxy themed doll, so without further ado, let's go. For this doll, we're going to be using Rochelle as a base. I think she's from the Haunted line, but I really wanted to use her because she had a very translucent, sweet skin tone. But I'm going to be trying to stick to my concept for this one, and not going wildly off. To start off, remove the doll's head from its body. Then take your pair of needle-nose pliers to scrape out all the hair. Now that she's hairless, we can get to removing all the face paint. Take your 100% acetone, and put it on a tissue, cotton bud, or whatever you prefer to use, and wipe all the paint off the face. I also decided as a small touch to give her some blue fingernails and toenails to match my nail polish. Anyways, let's get cutting off these ear things. Take your craft knives and gently saw them off. Now we're going to move on to the hair. I wanted her to have some purple hair, so I'll paint the base of her head purple for this. Now that her head's purple, we can get to the hair. I decided to use this hair from Custom Dolly Hair AU, which I've had sitting around for a while. I rerouted that all, but since I didn't have enough hair, I ended up using some black at the bottom, and I taped up the little head holes so that no glue would seep out when I filled the head. Once you've filled the head with glue, take some sticks or something to poke all the glue around the head to try and cover every single one of the small plugs. Now, onto the face up. Take your Mr. Super Clear and give your doll one coat of this. Some artists use two, but I find just one coat does it for me. I wanted this doll to look quite serene and mystical, so I decided to give her very heavy makeup on the eyes and very dark lips. For the eyes, I kind of wanted a half-closed look. This isn't something that I'd really attempted before, so I thought it'd be very fun to try and do this. Now that we're done with the face, we can add the white bits and add some nice gloss varnish to the eyes and lips. Make sure to only cover the coloured bits of the eyes. I don't really find adding highlights to the whites of the eyes works. Now to remove her from the hair burrito. Overall, I'd say I'm pretty happy with this. I also gave her some fake eyelashes to add more depth. Now onto the outfit. I wanted her to have a small galaxy kind of star tiara, so I took some crystals and some wire to make this. I wanted it to stay quite simple, so I just glued one of the gems in the middle and two either side. To do this, you just thread your bead on and add a small dab of glue to keep it in place. I think that looks pretty nice. Now onto the outfit. For the shoes, I used some pre-made shoes, but the main of it we're going to be using this glittery tool. I fashioned her a skirt and a corset. I coated it with fabric so that we can go with fabric paint to make it look extra fancy. I did in lots of different gradients, and it ended up having a bit of a Celtic-like look. But I went and threaded the back with the embroidery thread so that we can fit it onto her. And with that done, we can reattach the head to the body. I think this looks quite cool so far. Anyways, I added some small gems to the rest of the corset, but now onto the big bit. I wanted her to have a galaxy cape covered in stars, so I sketched out a vague bit for half of the cape, and then cut it out and modified it a bit. But now I'm going to go with fabric paints to add a galaxy. To do this, I just start off with glue and smear it around and add spots of purple. Just trying to cover up the marks where I drew it out wrong as well. Then for the lighter patches, you can add bits of white and then you can go in with more colours and just keep on going over and over with sponges until you get your desired galaxy effect. And with that, we're done! For the name for this doll, my talented animation intro artist came up with the name Luma. I think that it is very suiting to her, and it maintains a kind of elegance. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the process of how I made this doll. It was really fun to make her. She'll also be going up for sale for about £45 plus shipping. If you're interested in her, please let me know. Anyways, I hope that you guys all enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you want to. Anyways, I hope to see you guys all in the next video. Bye!